Welcome to a tutorial on how to submit your reader response papers. When you log into the home screen, scroll down to the reader response paper folder. You'll see a folder for templates, it's your planning, and then this folder for the drop boxes where you'll actually submit. The rubrics can be viewed here. The rubric is the same for all 5 papers, and I absolutely recommend you look at this before you write your first paper. It gives you a sense of what I'm looking for when I grade them. When you're ready to submit, I don't recommend the text submission. That types your paper right into the Dropbox. You can use this Dropbox for those of you that actually use Dropbox. For those of you that use cloud storage, you can access your Google Drive right here. Many of you are probably going to use a Word document. You can browse your computer, find the document you want to submit, and attach it this way. Now I'm attaching a PDF. You have other file formats. They're listed for you here. If I ever can't read something that you submit, I'll send you an email, so it won't be a problem. The plagiarism tools that I just checked, that submits your paper to the Safe Assign repository of student work, so it makes sure that your work is original, unique to you. And I do have it set by default on the back end, so if you forget to click it, it's not a problem. The box where I'm typing right now is a place where you can ask me to focus on something when I'm grading, and I always read those. I am happy to look at something specifically for you. Once you hit submit, this is key. You're waiting for this success. You did it, it's been submitted. Make sure you wait for that screen. And you can always check in my grades. You can look here, there'll be a little icon right there, and that also will tell you if the paper's been submitted. I have several students that send an email, but this is quick, instantaneous. You don't have to wait for me. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please let me know.